Hello, everyone. During the 2 months of the program, my teammate Letitia and I got lots of professional experience while working on the project for the Asian table. We would like to thank the organizers of the program for giving us the opportunity to be here today. So a little bit info about me. I'm a content creator and aspiring digital marketing manager. My teammate Letitia is an aspiring data analyst. The Asian Table is a California-based company committed to bringing you do-it-yourself culinary experiences to taste Asia's flavors in an authentic way. Our extern host, Gerada, is the founder of the Asian Table, and we're happy to have him here today. Gerada, could you please share a bit about the Asian Table and how you started? We also attached his social media platforms to the slide. Feel free to take a look.
Yes, thank you. So let me tell you this story. Many people during the lockdown started baking bread and doing some gardening. In my case, I realized that there was a lack of real sushi making kits in the market. So, I took that as a project. I came up with the brand. I came up with a product. I found sources, factories in China, and I started selling it. It was originally a passion project, but I saw that it has a lot of potential. Actually, when I got the first order, it got sold out in a matter of months, maybe actually less than 2 months. I mean, considering it was Christmas time, but I was not expecting it. And I realized that there was a lot of potential. Unfortunately, I didn't have the time to keep working on it other than just selling it at Amazon and selling it on Etsy. And I saw this opportunity to work with Letitia and Julia to work on this project and say, hey, come up with some strategies that we can use to maybe put it in front of more people and so on and so forth. So thank you for doing this, and I can't wait to see what you have for us tonight.
Thank you, Gerada. So now I will hand it over to Letitia to talk about the project goals.
Thank you, Julia. So after discussion with our extern host, Gerardo, we have set our project goals, which is improving website traffic and increase sales over time. And we have come up with strategy and some actionable steps in order to achieve the goal. Step 1 is to optimize website presence and utilize plugins. Step 2 is improve search engine optimization. And step 3 is create social media posts. The last one is run ads on social media such as Pinterest in order to build awareness. Next, please. And here is our project tracker, and we use it to keep ourselves organized and everything on track. On the right side is a strategic plan that we come up, and we also provide these reasons to back up our actions and steps, and let our extern host to review it. So this is the first step. We decide our first step is to optimize the website presence, and we utilize some plugins, some built-in template to make the website more neat and organized. Thank you. So this is the original website presence for the Asian table. And if you click through the link, you will find the page is relatively long, and visitor might think this is distracting when they scroll down. And it also lack of clear call to action button at the beginning of the website. Next. And then we have optimized the website presence for the Asian table. This is the new web page looks like. We organize the information into different categories, and we put a call to action button on top of the page. Next. And except for optimizing the website presence, we also added a new plugin to the website backend in order to analyze visitors' behavior, and it helps us understand where the website traffic comes from and where we lose customer on the page. Next. And then the second step is improve search engine optimization. And the tools what we use include keyword planner in Google AdWords and also a plugin called Mode. Next, please. And on top of the page, this is a picture of the plugin. It allows us to see the page authority and the domain authority. So the higher the score you get, the higher your website will rank on Google when people type your product keywords. And on the bottom, here's a picture of the keyword planner. We use this to find out the popular keywords for the product, and we are able to see the search volume for similar keywords. Next, please. And on bottom of the page, this is our research result and the new search engine optimization keyword idea. We are able to find the volume per month for different keywords, and we came up some new search engine keywords idea for the product. Next, please. Next, I will hand it over to Yulia to talk more about social media strategy. I think you're muted.
Instagram is one of the most important social media channels around, and we are positive that any marketer not using it, missing out on something big. The last post for the Asian table was posted on November 1st, 2020. When potential clients open Instagram, we will start having questions about whether this business exists or not. We changed it by creating new social media plan. So the plan for the social media is created by using Hootsuite. Everything will be posted automatically 2 times per week on Monday and Thursday. We also created a link tree which will be added to the Instagram buyer, and we will help potential customers to find where to place the order. Talking about paid marketing, this is the interface on Pinterest advertising page for 478 million active users on Pinterest. So our potential customers, people who sell gift sets, use Pinterest to advertise their products. Furthermore, Pinterest conversion are approximately 2.5 times higher for conversion than other platforms such as Facebook and Twitter. So we created an advertisement in order to attract the potential buyers. Talking about skills, we improved our communication skills by providing and accepting feedback, communicating through mail and meeting on Zoom. We also improved our project management skills. We learned how to coordinate tasks as well as motivate and encourage each other and define the roadmap to successfully complete the project. We also improved time management skills, teamwork skills, remote working skill, leadership, and public speaking skills. I will hand it over to Letitia to talk about hard skills we gained.
Some of the hard skills that we gain include search engine optimization, and we learn how to use Google AdWords. We also learn how to optimize website presence and use analytic tools to understand website traffic. And we also develop our graphic design skill and learn how to make video advertisement by using Canva. And we also learn how to run an ad on social media such as Pinterest. So for the next step for the Asian table, we hope that they will implement change such as the new website presence and the new keywords that we come up, and also implement the social media plan and run an ads on social media such as Pinterest, and see if Pinterest is a good idea to advertise your product. And for me, my next step includes using the marketing skills that I gained from this externship and build my own brand. And I also want to look have a career in marketing, in digital marketing, and I will also look for some marketing analyst job. And last but not least, I hope to get involved in AMA and network with more marketers.
Yeah, I plan to keep working on my marketing skills. I also plan to become a volunteer in AMA and make contribution to the future extern program. Thank you so much, and we are ready to answer your questions.
I just have to say thank you very much. This is very thorough too. There's a lot of good thinking behind it, and it's just a matter of implementing it. And I think what I need to do is, besides implementing it, of course, is do an audit in a couple of months just to see how everything that you have presented today has helped to sell more and to gain more awareness. And those numbers, I mean, we'll talk about those numbers and see if you can brag about what you did tonight and how that impacted the whole brand. Thank you very much to both of you.
Thank you for giving us the opportunity to learn more about the digital marketing skills as well.
Yeah, it was a great experience. Thank you.
Great job, team. I'm also really, really impressed. You guys have done a really great job ideating and really thinking through your strategies. And I know that this presentation just covered some of the things that you thought through, but really good work. You should be really proud of yourselves.